Hello. We're going to be talking about eruption types here. And you should have a graph sheet, graphic organizer that is going to go in your notebook. And from this video, I would love to see you fill out that graphic organizer. This is kind of the direction we're going. These are the different eruption types. You got Hawaiian, Strombolian, Vulcanian, and Plinian. And as you move up the ladder here, you're looking at things changing in eruption size and in explosivity. The Surtsian, this category right here, is always involved with submarine eruptions or volcanoes underwater. But what you need to worry about here is how big an eruption is and how explosive or violent it is. We're going to start with Hawaiian and we'll work our way up to Plinian. Okay? So, with Hawaiian, this is a table that I would love to see you filling out. We're talking about flows of basalt lava. This is low viscosity. They make shield volcanoes. And this is low gas lava. There isn't a lot of dissolved gases in the lava. Explosive capability is from 0 to 1, and this is on the VEI scale. Where in the world it's going to be Kilauea. That's kind of the model volcano for these Hawaiian eruptions, although you find Hawaiian eruptions all around the world. Here, what you've got is what we call a lava fountain. And again, you're going to see lava very fluid, and it flows very. Here's another picture. You see the lava here, and the dark rock around this is lava that is spreading out and cooling as it goes. This is in Hawaii. Okay, the next type of eruption is Strombolian. And here what we have is more viscous lava. So it doesn't flow, and so we're looking at maybe the best word is bursts of lava that spew out of a cone. This lava typically will cool in air, and it falls as something called scoria. These are lava fragments. What dominates here is a type of lava called a'a. Okay, a'a lava dominates. Explosive capability is from 1 to 2 on the VEI scale, and where in the world? Well, it's named after Stromboli. This is an island off of the country of Italy. Pictures of what this looks like. Again, here's up close to the crater. These streaks coming out are individual lava fragments that will cool in air, solidify, and it forms what we call a scoria cone. Here's a little bit larger picture. This is Krakatoa off the island of Java. It's kind of a beautiful picture. The next type of volcanic eruption is Vulcanian, and again we're talking about a higher silica content. And if you remember, higher silica means more viscous. This lava does not flow. And so what we're talking about here are gray eruptions. We're talking about bombs all the way down to ash-sized particles. The type of VEI eruptions that you'd see here are anywhere from 2 to 4. Galeras in Colombia, Ruiz in Ecuador, Sakurajima in Japan. These are all examples of volcanic eruptions. Look like, here's a great example. You don't see the lava here. The lava is within the volcano, and as it comes out, it's going to explode. As it explodes, it is going to release these ash particles. Or actually, the lava forms into these gray ash particles. Typical eruptions are not as big as what you'll see in the next category, but it is more explosive, and that's, you know, as evidenced by the gray material versus the lava material. The last type of eruption is the Plinian eruption, and these are explosive. These have very viscous magma or lava. We're talking about felsic material, stuff that would form rhyolite. We get what we call pyroclastic flows here. You can get something called lahars. The big volcanic eruptions are always going to be Plinian. Here on the VEI scale, we're going anywhere from 4 to 8. 8, you remember, is supervolcano, and these would be some of those classified as that. Mount St. Helens. Mount Rainier. A number of volcanoes in the world are these kind of volcanoes. Here's a good example. You're talking about enormous amounts of material that are coming out. This is the Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland. And this is the Redoubt volcano down in South America. So there. That's what you need to know about eruption types. Thank you.